Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Guaranty RV here in Junction City. Nice blustery day in April. I'm here to show you this great little Itasca Class A. It's a very clean 2016 and it's got a lot of nice features as any Class A, or most do, with storage in the basements. Very large mirrors with cameras as well on the side to see when you turn on your blinker, you can see what's going on in whichever direction you're hoping to change lanes or turn. Notice the large storage cabinets, very easy access, and with the slide out, the doors open sideways, which gives you added convenience. Come on around, and one of the nice things about this is you don't have an entry into the cab. You've actually got an entry straight from your picnic area into the kitchen. A lot of people like that because there's a lot less traffic going through the living room and through the cab of the unit. Full-size awning and locked storage. Opens out over the top of your slide and your whole picnic area. Another nice size storage unit. Coming around the back, you'll notice you've got the rear view camera, ladder access to your roof, so you can check those roof seals anytime you want to, and we recommend at least every 90 days. Some of these are locked up. Yeah, we'll have to get those unlocked. You've got your access to your tanks and your propanes, your fuel storage there. Very handy. You don't need to get down on the ground to get to those. And you've got a nice hole here that you close up while you're driving that your hose can go through, so it's not hanging out. You'll be able to close your door. Another nice storage area. Coming back around this side, you've got awning toppers, or slide toppers, on all of your slides. Cameras on your mirrors. Just a really nice configuration for that Class A outside. First thing you'll notice is you've got direct access to your great little kitchen. It's a nice deep cabinet, extra shelves for spices or cups, plug-ins for your coffee pot, a two-sided sink, and nice deep cabinets, spice cabinets, drawers. In lieu of an oven, you do have the convection microwave, and also a 3-burner propane cooktop. You'll notice over here you've got a table that will enlarge. There's a leaf that stores away, and you can make this setup for 4 people. One of the nice little hidden features is your televator. So you're done with the dining, you want to sit down on your cozy hide-to-bed couch, want to watch TV, there she is. Both chairs swivel around, so if you do have company coming over from another campsite, you got plenty of seating for a movie night. What you may not notice right away is right above, we've got an electric drop-down bed for added sleeping space. There is a ladder for that bed, and I'll show you where it is in just a couple minutes. Down in here, a great little Norcold refrigerator that is gas or electric. More pantry space and little hidden drawers. Lots of cabinetry. Outlets. Your information center and basically your cockpit area normally has these things, but they have it nicely conveniently located right here in the hallway. Easy access if you have to check something in the middle of the night. Great sized shower with extra headroom above, and it brings in lots of light for you. And if you want to make this a private area, all you do is open up the door, and you've got a nice big bathroom that includes the shower. Coming on into the back bedroom, you'll notice again plenty of hanging room, lighted storage, 6 drawers, 8 small equipment type drawers, more cabinets, and of course a television for late night viewing. Queen size bed with more cabinetry above, plug-ins on each side, and there's your ladder for the bed. This unit is very nice, very clean. I would love to go over more of the details with you. Come on in and see me here at Guaranty RV. You can reach me at the email address below, and I look forward to talking with you soon.